Now here mensuration set number C. For problem 1 and 2, find the dimension of the rectangles with given information. આપેલી સૂચના મુજબ ડાયમેન્શન મેળવવાનું છે, એટલે બે બાજુઓ મેળવવાની છે, લંબાઈ અને પહોળાઈ. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 1, રેક્ટેંગલ width of perimeter 20 units and area of 24 units. Now your solution, let length of rectangle is equal to L and width of rectangle is equal to B. લંબાઈ L અને પહોળાઈ B છે. Now perimeter P is equal to given 20 units and perimeter's formula of rectangle 2 multiple L plus B. So here value of P is equal to 20. So 2 multiple L plus B is equal to 20. Now so L plus B is equal to 20 by 2. 2 tens are 20. So L plus B is equal to 10. And so L is equal to 10. B here plus, then other side minus B. This is equation number 1. Now given area of 24 units. So here area is equal to A is at 24 units square. Now formula of rectangle area A is equal to L multiple B. So put the value of A. So L multiple B is equal to 24. This is equation number 2. Now value of L is equal to 10 minus B is put here, equation number 2. Then by equation 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2 we get, put the value of L, 10 minus B multiple B is equal to 24. So B multiple 10, that is 10B minus B multiple B, the B square is equal to 24. Now B square other side in plus, 10B other side in minus. So B square minus 10B plus 24 is equal to 0. This is equation. Now here 24, factor of 24 plus then mid value of 10. So factor of 24, 6 4 is 24. And 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 6 4 is 24. So B square minus 6B minus 4B plus 24 is equal to 0. Now common, first common B, and here B minus 6, common minus 4, here B minus common, then plus the minus 6 is equal to 0. Again common B minus 6, B minus 6 common, B minus 4 is equal to 0. Then B minus 6 is equal to 0. Otherwise B minus 4 is equal to 0. બંને અલગ કાઢ દો. So B is equal to 6. Otherwise B is equal to 4. Now by equation number 1, L is equal to B is equal to 6. Then L is equal to 10 minus B. So 10 minus B 6. So L is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. Then L is equal to 10 minus 4. Then L is equal to 6. So our answer L is equal to 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. First example is complete. Example number 2. A rectangle with a perimeter 72 units and area of 22 units square. Rectangle length is equal to L and width is equal to 0. Now here given perimeter P is equal to 72 unit and formula of perimeter rectangle 2 multiple L plus. Now put the value here. So 2 multiple L plus B is equal to 72. So L plus B is equal to 72 by 2, 36 ja 72. So L plus B is equal to 36. Then L is equal to 36 minus B. This is the equation number 1. Now area of rectangle 288 units. 288 units square. Now formula of rectangle area L multiple B. So put the value of A. So L multiple B is equal to 288. This is the equation number 2. Now by equation 1 and 2. 1 and put the value of L 36 minus B. So here 36 minus B multiple B is equal to 288. Multiple this, then 36B minus B square is equal to 288. So the equation B square minus 36B plus 288 is equal to 0. Now factor of 288, 24 and 12. 12 multiple 24, then 288 and 24 plus 12, then 36. So B square minus 24B minus 12B plus 288 is equal to 0. Now common B, then B minus 24. Now common here minus 12, then here B minus common, then plus minus 12 common, then 24 is equal to 0. Now again common B minus 24. So second B minus 12 is equal to 0. Now B minus 24 is equal to 0. Otherwise B minus 12 is equal to 0. So here by equation 1 L is equal to 36 minus, here B is equal to 20. Now L is equal to 36 minus, now put the value of B. So L is equal to 36 minus 24, then L is equal to 12. Here B is minus 12 is equal to 0, so B is equal to 12. Now L is equal to 36 minus B. Put the value of B, 36 minus 12. So L is equal to 24. So our answer 24 and 12 centimeter. Okay. Now example number 3. The length of rectangle is 2 more than 3 times the width. The perimeter of length is 44 units. What is the area? Find area of rectangle. લંબચોરસની લંબાઈ એ તેની પહોળાઈના 3 ગણા કરતા 2 વધારે છે. જો તેની પરિમિતિ 44 યુનિટ્સ હોય તો તેનું ક્ષેત્રફળ શોધો. Now here length of rectangle is equal to L and width of rectangle is equal to B. Rectangle is 2 more than 3 times of width. So L is equal to 3B plus 2. L is equal to 3B plus 2 more than 3 times. એટલે 3 ગણા કરતા 2 વધારે છે. So equation number 1. Perimeter of length is 44 units. Now here formula of perimeter 2L plus B. So put the value of perimeter, then 2L plus B is equal to 44. So L plus B is equal to 44 by 2, that is 22. L plus B is equal to 22. Now by equation 1 and 2, put the value of L by equation 1 and 2. Put the value of L, 3B plus 2 plus B is equal to 22. 3B and B, that is 4B. 22 minus 2. 22 minus 2 is equal to 20. So B is equal to 20 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So B is equal to 5 unit. Now by equation 1, L is equal to 3B plus 2. Now put the value of B is equal to 5 and 3 multiple 5 plus 2. So L is equal to 15 plus 2. Now L is equal to 17. Length, rectangle length is 17 and width is 5. Find the area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle is equal to L multiple B. Now put the value of L 17. Put the value of B 5. 7 multiple 5, that is equal to 85 units square. Our answer. Example number 4. The length of rectangle is 2 less than 2 times width. The area of rectangle is 84 units. Find the perimeter of rectangle. Length of a rectangle is 2 less than 2 times width. લંબચોરસની લંબાઈ તેની પહોળાઈના 2 ગણા કરતા 2 ઓછી છે. The area of rectangle is 84 units. લંબચોરસનું ક્ષેત્રફળ 84 યુનિટ સ્ક્વેર છે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ પેરીમીટર ઓફ રેક્ટેંગલ? તો તેની પરિમિતિ શું થશે? નાઉ હિયર length of rectangle is L and width of rectangle is equal to B. Now length of a rectangle is 2 less than 2 times width. પહોળાઈ કરતા 2 ગણ અને 2 ઓછી. 2 ઓછી એટલે 2b minus 2 here. Now here given the area of rectangle is given A is equal to 84 units square. But we know that area of rectangle is equal to L multiple B. So L multiple B is equal to 84. Now by equation 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2 we get, put the value of L here, then 2b minus b multiple b is equal to 80. Now b multiple to b, that is 2b square minus b multiple 2b minus 2b minus 2b multiple b, that is 2b square minus 2 multiple b, that is 2b is equal to 80. So 2 is a common, b square minus b, 2 is a common and divide 84, then 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4. So b square minus b minus 42 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now here factor of 42, 7 6 ja 42 and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So b square minus 7b plus 6b minus 42 equal to 0. Now common b, then here 7 minus b plus common 6, 7 minus b equal to 0. So 7 minus b common, so b plus 6 is equal to 0. Sorry, here b is a common here, then b minus 7 plus 6 common, b minus 7 is equal to 0. So b minus 7 common and here b plus 6 is equal to 0. Now b minus 7 is equal to 0, otherwise b plus 6 is equal to 0. So here b is equal to minus 6, but length is not minus, then is b minus 6 is not possible. So b is equal to 7. Now put the value of b is equal to 7 in equation 1. So here L is equal to 2b minus 2. L is equal to 2 multiple 7 minus 2, 14 minus 2. Then L is equal to, now perimeter P is equal to 2 L plus P. So here 2, value of L 12 and value of B 7. So P is equal to 2 12 plus 7 19, then P is equal to 19